Hello and welcome to my first video about fractions. In this video, we'll be talking about how to add and subtract fractions. So let's get started. Adding and subtracting fractions are easy if the denominators are the same. Let me show you some examples. 3 over 4 plus 2 over 4. This is easy as the denominators are the same. So we just need to add the numerators. So 3 plus 2 is 5. And the denominator stays the same. But what if the denominator was not the same? Like in this equation, 3 over 7 plus 2 over 3. The denominators are not the same, so we cannot add the numerators until the denominators are the same. There is a quick and easy way to make the denominators the same. It is called cross multiplying. So to make the denominators equal, we can multiply the number by each other. So 7 times 3 and then 3 times 7. And then the denominators will be the same. But we also need to multiply the numerators by the number. So let me show you how. So 3 over 7, and to make the denominator equal, times 3 here, because 7 times 3 if you do the cross multiplying. So you multiply both of these numbers by 3, and then you multiply both of these numbers by 7, plus 7 times 2 if you bring the 7 to the other side, and 7 times 3. As you can see, the denominators are not the same. So now let's simplify. Let me just create some space to show you. 3 times 3 is 9, and 7 times 3 is 21. And then you add this fraction. 7 times 2, 14, over 7 times 3, 21. Then you can just do 9 plus 14, which is 23. And then the denominator stays the same. So this is how you add fractions with the same denominator and with a different denominator. But what if you need to subtract fractions? Let me show you how to do that. It is nearly the same. So if you have an equation like 3 over 7 plus, sorry, not plus, minus 2 over 7, this is easy because the denominators are the same. So they are the same. So we just need to subtract these numbers. And that will be 3 minus 2 is 1. And as before, 7 stays the same. But what if the denominators are not the same again? Like in addition. So you basically do the same thing. Let me show you an example. 2 over 7 minus 1 over 8. Now as you can see, the denominators are not the same. We can make the denominators the same by doing cross multiplying. We multiply both of these numbers by 8 and both of these numbers by 7. So let me show you how. 2 times 8 over 7 times 8. And then the other one, minus 7 times 1, which will be 7, and 7 times 8. And then we just simplify it. So let me just create some space. 2 times 8, 16, over 7 times 8, 56. I need to minus 7 times 1, 7, and 7 times 8, 56. And then you just need to do 16 minus 7, which will be 9. Then it turns into 9 over 56. So this is how you subtract fractions which have the same denominator and which also don't have the same denominator. As you can see, this is pretty easy. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Remember to like and subscribe.